When the angle strain is less, the molecule will be stable and heat of combustion will be lesser. A very weak acid will not be able to liberate carbon dioxide gas. Ester group, which is there in the functional group of fat. Acrolein is a test which is used for detection of oils and fats. Hello my dear students, welcome back to part 3 of Karnataka CET 2006 chemistry question paper. We'll go with the 41st question. Methyl bromide is converted into ethane by heating in the ether medium with aluminium, zinc, sodium, copper. So, we have to convert methyl bromide to ethane. Which reaction is this? In the presence of dry ether, it is Woods reaction. And what is the metal which we use in Woods reaction? It is sodium metal. So, it is option C. Which reaction is this? Woods reaction. Okay. Next one. Which of the following compound is expected to be optically active? The first one is, I'll write the structure so that we get the idea. CH3, CH3, CH, CHO. Option 2 is CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. Option C is CH3, CH2, C, Br, H, CHO. And option D is CH3, CH2, C, Br, CHO. Now here if you observe, for optically active compound we require a chiral carbon atom. Here we do not have a chiral carbon atom. Here no chance at all. Here two are same. Bromine, this also does not have a chiral carbon. Only this compound has a chiral carbon atom. So it is expected to be optically active. So option C is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Which cycloalkane has the lowest heat of combustion per CH2 molecule? Cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane. So what is it they are asking? Low heat of combustion per CH2 molecule. Which is having the lowest heat of combustion is their question. So when the angle strain is more, the heat of combustion will be high. Okay. When the angle strain is less, the molecule will be stable and heat of combustion will be lesser. So the most stable molecule here is cyclohexane. Thus, it will have the lowest heat of combustion. Okay. 44th question. The catalyst used in preparation of an alkyl chloride by the action of dry HCl on an alcohol is. So what we are using? Alcohol to alkyl chloride. HCl is one of the catalysts, which is one more catalyst is what they are asking. Option A, anhydrous aluminum chloride. Option B, FeCl3. Option C, anhydrous zinc chloride. Option D, copper. So for alkyl chloride to be converted, okay, by alcohol. So what we are using? Alcohol to alkyl chloride. And HCl is used. Along with that, what is the one more catalyst which we need to use is the Lucas reagent, that is anhydrous zinc chloride with concentrated HCl. So option C is the right answer. Okay. Next question. In the reaction, Rx with alcoholic KCl gives A with dilute HCl gives B. What is the product? Alkyl chloride, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, ketone. So here how do we solve this? Rx with KCN, that is alcoholic, will get RCN. Okay. Further with dilute HCl, you will get RCOOH, that is the carboxylic acid we will get. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next one. Which of the following compound would not evolve carbon dioxide when treated with sodium bicarbonate solution? Salicylic acid, phenol, benzoic acid, 4-nitrobenzoic acid. So here they are asking which would not give carbon dioxide. ಯಾವುದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ with sodium bicarbonate solution, a very weak acid will not be able to liberate carbon dioxide gas. Salicylic acid, benzoic acid and 4-nitrobenzoic acid are strong. Only phenol is a weak acid here. Okay, so option B, phenol is the correct answer. Next question. By heating phenol with chloroform in alkali, it is converted to salicylic acid, salicylaldehyde, anisole, phenyl benzoate. Phenol with chloroform. We are taking phenol with chloroform and alkali. ಯಾವ reaction idu? Reimer-Tiemann reaction. What's the product there? I don't have to write the equation. Just remember, Reimer-Tiemann reaction, when I'm using chloroform with sodium hydroxide, it is salicylaldehyde which is formed. So option B is the correct answer. So we'll go to the next question. When a mixture of calcium benzoate and calcium acetate is dry distilled, the resulting product is acetophenone, benzaldehyde, benzophenone, acetaldehyde. Okay. So we are taking calcium benzoate, C6H5COO, CaCOO, C6H5 plus calcium acetate. So it is CH3COO, CaCOOC, CH3. Okay. Dry distilled andre so much will go. So it is product formed is C6H5COCH3. What is this? This is acetophenone. So option A, acetophenone is the correct answer. We'll go to the next question. Which of the following does not give benzoic acid on hydrolysis? ಯಾವುದು ಬೆಂಜೋಯಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಸೈನೈಡ್, ಬೆಂಜಾಯಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್, ಬೆಂಜೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್, methyl benzoate. See, methyl benzoate, phenyl cyanide and benzoyl chloride, all of them will give benzoic acid on hydrolysis. It is only benzyl chloride, that is C6H5CH2Cl, on hydrolysis will give alcohol, that is C6H5CH2OH form madutte. Thus, what will happen? It will not give benzoic acid. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Which of the following would undergo Hoffmann reaction to give primary amine? RCOCl, RCONHCH3, RCONH2, RCOOR. For Hoffmann's degradation, we take amide, and we have amide here. RCONH2 is an amide which is there. So this one will undergo Hoffmann's bromamide degradation reaction. Okay. Next question. Glucose contains, in addition to aldehyde group, 1 secondary OH and 4 primary OH, 1 primary OH and 4 secondary OH, 2 primary OH and 3 secondary OH, 3 primary OH and 2 secondary OH groups. What is the structure of glucose? It is CHO, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OH. Third carbon atom is here. Here I have OH, 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 H, H, H and H. One aldehyde we have. This is secondary, this is secondary, secondary, all these are secondary OH group. Only this one, this is a primary carbon atom. So it is primary OH group. So we have 1 primary OH group and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 secondary OH groups. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next one. The distinctive and characteristic functional group of fat is a peptide group, an ester group, an alcoholic group, a ketonic group. It is an ester group which is there in the functional group of fat. Okay, a distinctive group. It is an ester group. Next one, at pH 4, glycine exists as NH3 plus CH2COO minus, NH3 plus CH2COOH, NH2CH2COH, NH2CH2CO minus. See, glycine has CH2COO minus, NH3 plus, like this. But in the acidic medium, it has got H plus because pH is 4 and it will get converted to NH3 plus CH2COOH. So this particular answer we have to look into. So the option which is correct is option B. Because it's acidic pH, COOH will be formed. Okay. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Insulin regulates the metabolism of minerals, amino acids, glucose, vitamins. We know insulin is a hormone which regulates the blood glucose level. Correct? No? So it is glucose which it regulates. Okay. Next question. The formula mass of more salt is 392. The ion present in it is oxidized by KMnO4 in acid medium. The equivalent mass of more salt is 392, 31.6, 278, 156. So here in more salt, Fe plus 2 state is there. In KMnO4, MnO4 minus, and we have acid medium. It gets converted into Fe plus 3 state and MnO2 and H2O. Mn plus 2 and H2O. Balancing, this will be 4, this will be 8, and to balance the charge we have 5. But ion is changing from plus 2 state to plus 3 state only by 1 unit, correct? Therefore, equivalent mass is molecular mass 392, it's given, okay? By change in oxidation number, that is only 1. So it is 392 itself. So option A is the correct answer. Got it? Next question. The Brown ring test for nitrates depend on the reduction of nitrate to nitric oxide, oxidation of nitric oxide to nitrogen dioxide, reduction of ferrous sulfate to iron, oxidizing action of sulfuric acid. In Brown ring test, the reduction of nitrate to nitric oxide is happening. So option A is the correct answer. I hope you all know the Brown ring test. Okay. Next one. Acrolein test is positive for polysaccharides, proteins, oils and fats, reducing sugar. Acrolein is a test which is used for detection of oils and fats. Okay. So option C is the correct answer. We'll go to the next question. An organic compound which produces a bluish green colored flame on heating in presence of copper is chlorobenzene, benzaldehyde, aniline, benzoic acid. It is which of the organic compound will give bluish green color to the flame? It should contain halogen. Then in the presence of copper, it will give bluish green color. And only halogen is present in chlorobenzene. Aniline does not have halogen. Benzaldehyde or benzoic acid does not have halogen. So chlorobenzene is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. For a reaction A plus B giving C plus D, if the concentration of A is doubled without altering the concentration of B, the rate gets doubled. If the concentration of B is increased by 9 times without altering the concentration of A, the rate gets tripled. Okay. The order of the reaction is. See what happens here is, first it's very clear. With respect to A, the order is 1 because when the A was doubled, even the rate gets doubled. So both, when I increase by 1 time, the other also is increasing by 1 time. Then it is, order is 1. If the concentration of B is increased by 9 times, see B was increased by 9 times without altering the concentration of A, the rate gets tripled. The rate is getting tripled when this was increased by 9 times. Okay. So what is the order? See, this had to be increased 9 times for this to be tripled. Okay. So what will be the rate? I can take it as 3 to the power 2b, which is equal to 3, and 2b is equal to 1, b is equal to half. So with respect to b, it is half order. So the order, complete order is 1 plus half. This is nothing but 3 by 2, and option C is correct. Okay. So I hope you have understood. It's a tricky question, but it's very easy one as well. Okay. Next and the last question. Which of the following solutions will exhibit highest boiling point? 0.01 molar Na2SO4 or 0.01 molar KNO3 or 0.015 molar urea and 0.015 molar glucose. See, boiling point is a colligative property. As the number of particles increase, there will be elevation in boiling point. So here we have to see if these molecules are actually getting dissociated. First of all, urea and glucose does not undergo any dissociation at all. So compared to the others, this cannot have the highest number of particles. This will get dissociated to give 3 particles. This will get only 2 particles. So obviously, in which the number of particles is high. Okay, I value is 3 here. So obviously, the elevation of boiling point also will be highest there because the molarity is same here. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope you have understood all the 60 questions of Karnataka CET 2006 chemistry paper. Thank you, my dear children. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you, my dear children.